What's up YouTube, this is Amo, and in this tutorial I want to talk about blades. And what I mean by blades is that blades is something like a template engine, and Laravel uses this engine to show us bootstrap templates and any kind of CSS frameworks that a user wants to use. So for example, if we go to our localhost main page, as you can see, this Laravel page is coming up and it just uses a blade. So how do we pass blades into our roads? So in order to do that, actually we return a view, and this view is a helper function. As you can see, you can go to the main helper function. It is located on vendor directory here, but there's no need to talk about that, so we just move over to the blade, and this blade is named welcome. So where is this welcome page located? Actually, you can go to resources, and at views directory you can see a file that it is called welcome.blade.php. But as you can see, we only pass the welcome name here and not the blade.php. So Laravel is so smart, and it can basically understand what I mean by welcome is that return welcome.blade.php. So there's no need to actually to include this blade.php here. So we can make a new file. For example, we say index, okay, and if I create a new file called index.blade.php, and I say h2 index blade, and it should return this as view. If I refresh the page, as you can see, this blade is coming up. So it's because of this helper function. And just note that every file that you create on these views must be named as blade.php, because blade, as I told you before, it's a template engine and you must use it for your roads. So that's it.